Hey, good morning, growers. This is meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Let's get to it. There's a lot to talk about, a lot lined up for you. All right, on the radar, I want to remind you that depending on what radar you're looking at, now some of the radars, I get on a little soapbox here, some of the radars have too hot or aggressive of a color bank. That's why I don't like it. They do that for hype. Weather Channel used to be like that. I haven't looked at their radar in a couple of years, but what I'm showing you is the official National Weather Service radar. So when you see a light blue or a medium blue, that probably is not reaching the ground. Darker blue possibly is. The greens certainly are. And what you're seeing is dry air in place, and the showers, as they try to come toward us, erode away, and I think that's going to be the case. One of the reasons is dry air. These are the dew points, and our dew points are down into the teens. Temperatures in the 30s to near 40, dew points down in the teens. That means it's very dry air, so the rain can fall through the air and evaporate. High resolution rapid refresh, we like this model, picks up on it. I think it might not have as much rain showing on it as what will actually happen. We're at 11 o'clock this morning, and we're at 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6. So it tries to say that we won't really see any shower activity and light until 6 tonight. I would agree. I think we generally, for your practical purposes, get through the day dry. Not to say you wouldn't have windshield freckles or maybe even a damp pavement in a spot, but I don't think we're going to have anything widespread. Now remember, this model, since it's so high resolution, it only goes out 18 hours. That takes us out into the middle of the night. Then we got to jump on to the next model that I like for this, and we're going through this afternoon again now. And hence my thinking that we stay generally dry. Now we're into the middle of the night tonight, so I do think we'll have some showers tonight, probably less than 1/10 of an inch, probably 0.05 to 1/10. Now this is Thursday during the day, and another rain to our south tries to come toward mid-Michigan, maybe making it up into our area with some light showers. But the farther south you are, Genesee, Lapeer County, the better you'll have the chance of shower activity. That slides off Thursday afternoon and evening and leaves us with a dry Friday. So now I'm hearing the, hey, let's get a quarter, half inch of rain. Here is that model through Thursday. It shows heavier streaks to our south, shows 2/10 around us to less than 1/10 in the tip of the thumb. I'm going to say we're going to probably have 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch in our area over the next couple of days. Hopefully it's all in one shot, good enough to get the crust off the beets. All right, longer term, here we go. So this is the Wednesday night, Thursday rain that we just covered. This is the storm system. We've been tracking this all along. You got to admit, we've been seeing this in here work its way all the way down to there. So when you look at these, you start to realize the accuracy. When the model runs and the atmosphere is stable, when everything is jumbling around and patterns are switching, that's when we get into a time period where we say, what the heck are they talking about? Do they even know what they're talking about? All right, so here we go into Friday. And now we're into Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. All right, this is starting to get into a consensus that there will be a storm to our south. It will be a smaller storm than what we've been watching, and we will be on the northern edge of it. Will we get any shower activity out of this? Probably, but even in this pattern, we got this dry high pressure up here that will feed in a condition just like today where we may stay, mostly dry. I want to wait a few days on that. And let's just say that Saturday night, Sunday is our next chance of rain, but right now it does not look real robust. Another one of these little Alberta clippers Monday night into Tuesday, that's been showing up. And let's see if we can get a southwest wind in here at any time. We got to go out 10 days to get a southwest wind. And so I think the point is it's a slow temperature warm up, but it is a warm up. We've probably had our coldest night last night, and now we're just inching our way upward to where next week you'll probably be comfortable with going to corn planting as you see what's coming up a week after that or so. All right, so here we are today. We know it's cold in the 40s, and tomorrow high temperature in the low to mid 40s. Friday we're looking at a high temperature of 50, so that means your soil temperature is still going to be into the 40s. You got to get to 60 before your soil temperature gets to 50, 55. So here's Saturday, here's Sunday, 50, here's Monday, 52, 53-ish, here's Tuesday, 57-ish, and the pattern looks better for just a slow warm-up. All right, 6 to 10 day, out to May 1st. The cold pocket starting to work its way east. 8 to 14 day out to May 5th. Low confidence, so that means we'll probably still trend slightly colder than normal, but that would be still low 60s. All right, now satellites do so much for us now. Here's a cool satellite. It shows us how much soil moisture is out there in the subsoil. I think lowest or the top meter. So in what we're calling here, I guess we're calling it the root zone soil moisture. From satellites, they can look down through the soil and equate things. So there's, I guess, thing that we can start with is right now there's plenty of root zone soil moisture across the Corn Belt. So there's your update. I'll keep you updated through the day. Thank you for joining me. This is meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.